In 2026, your phone is a target. Let's look at the software built to defend it.
And what if someone else is watching? This isn't just data. It's everything about you.
But your standard antivirus? It's completely blind to this threat. Here's why.
See, antivirus looks for noisy attacks. Spyware, though, is a ghost in the machine.
That's why you need a specialist, a dedicated hunter for these kinds of invisible threats.
So let's introduce the solution for this exact problem, Anti-Spy by Protectstar.
Its one and only job to hunt down surveillance software on your Android device.
Okay, so how does it actually work? What makes it so effective?
It's all about its dual engine system. First up, a massive signature database. We're talking over 80 million known spyware signatures, and it's updated constantly. Then there's the AI. It catches new threats just by watching what they do. And look, this isn't just marketing hype. It's all been verified by top security labs. A nearly perfect 99.87% detection rate from AV-TEST. That beats most antivirus apps. And as of this year, it's also DEKRA certified, so you know the app itself is secure. Running a scan takes less than 2 minutes. It's designed to be dead simple. All right, let's break it down. What are the key pros and cons here? The free version gives you that full, powerful scan. Pro just adds real-time protection. So how does it stack up against malware bites? Anti-Spy is way more specialized. And with something like AV-TEST, you use Anti-Spy with it. It covers what AV-TEST misses. But why is this so important right now? Well, let's look at the current threats. These aren't just hypotheticals. These campaigns are active right now, hitting real people. So what's the final verdict? Should you actually install this thing on your phone? Absolutely, yes. It's free, it's verified, and it just might find what your antivirus missed. It takes 60 seconds, and it could completely change what you think you know about who's watching.